Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? I hope I hope so. You miss us, our faces on this YouTube channel, the monkeys. If you don't know, we used to live in Bali. My wife is from Bali, Winnie, right? And now it's been already 2 years. 2 years since we living in Poland, in Poznan area. How do you feel, sir? It's been a while. You already forgot how to film the YouTube videos, huh?
No, when Damian asking me like, okay, Hanya, let's make a video about, how is our life update so far in Poland because it has been, like 2 years living here. And I don't know, I just feeling like, kok Hanya, I feel like nervous because of, it has been long time. We didn't make any video and I feel like I don't know how to talk in front of the camera or something like that. Maybe I feel like I don't know what to say.
Yeah.
And yeah, we decided to go to the lake nearby our apartment. And yeah, just like a talk and share about how is our life update so far.
So we just arrived here, we just walk, make this intro for 2 minutes, and the guy behind us who passed by bicycle,
The blue shirt guy.
he just stopped like 10 meters at front of us and waiting for us. And I was thinking, okay, maybe he's gonna ask me to remove the video because he was behind. And in Poland there are some silly rules in the European Union about the people behind, blah blah blah, doesn't matter.
Doesn't want to be on the video or something
Something
like that.
like that.
What you are doing with the pictures or video.
Yeah,
don't
whatever.
want to film or something like that. It's just like
This. But anyways, never happened to me, but I know some people may complain. Anyway, he actually stopped us, asked where Winnie is coming from,
Why you speak English?
why speaking English, speaking nice English, by the way, because he used to live 35 years in Canada, in Toronto, in Hamilton, where I actually used to be 2 years ago. And the story goes on as we talk for half hour.
And the interesting stories is that he moved out after living 35 years in Canada. He moved out from Canada and now living in Poland and
Yeah.
especially in Poznan. And we start talking why we come back to Poland and everything and blah 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 blah. So yeah.
Actually interesting. You never know who you're gonna meet at the front of the lake,
in the middle of the forest.
But very positive guy, actually, and
And he always said, you keep smiling and be happy.
yeah, because Polish people don't smile, that.
No.
I'm smiling, but generally no. So generally everywhere is the lake. It's called Keks. So difficult, probably. And that's the footpath. So, Sang, do you miss Bali?
Of course I do. I miss the sun, sea, the waves, the sound of the waves,
The monkeys
the monkeys,
in the
food,
jungle.
and my family. Of course. How can I, don't say don't miss Bali? Of course I do. But the thing is that exactly 2 years ago, I moved out from Bali and then I stepped my feet in Warsaw Airport. And now it has been 2 years and I'm still surviving. I know that some of you guys or some of my family thinking you just few months and come back to Bali. For me it's just like I'm here, I'm still alive, I'm surviving and still smiling.
Moved to Bali for the first time, like I sold everything and I moved to Bali many years ago. And when I was very young at that time, everybody of my friends says 3 maximum half year and you will be back. But I never back to UK since then, actually. So you have to be strong and sure with everything what you do. If you want something, you can achieve it, right?
Yes.
The lake looked like this one, actually so calm. Somebody was fishing here, I think.
Is there any crocodile?
Yeah. Only on my t-shirt, I think. The only crocodile is here on my t-shirt. That's it. That's the only one in the whole Poland on the lakes. So some of you may ask probably when we going back to Bali. whenever the times come, right? We're going back to Bali like for living, or we're going back to for visit, let's say Winnie family and generally Bali, for sure. One day, I mean, we will visit, but just visit. And then when, I don't know, whenever the times come. Are we gonna live in Poland forever? The times will show. Whatever you ask, we don't know, because we changed so many things in the past 10 years when we are together. Just literally, you don't know what's gonna happen next year, next 5-10 years. I'm not even thinking when we're gonna be in 60s or 70s, because that's the another double of our lifespan what we have now. So yeah,
The most important thing is that we stick together wherever.
that's the most important thing. So the spring is coming slowly. You can hear the bird sounds and some other green stuff. Slowly the trees actually waking up from the winter, as you see. However, probably the most enjoyable work here gonna be in the summer, but actually, you know, in next 2 months, in May, will be already green and nice. Enjoying the stroll, Sayang, in your day off?
Yeah. So yeah, because we are having a day off every Monday, and we decided to have a, like a stay in Poznan, right, Kohanyim?
Tak, not going anywhere.
Yeah, due to just enjoying the time together, right?
That's the thing. That's the thing. Sometimes it's just good to just have a peaceful walk. It's not. Sayang, zobacz, the tree that's eaten by the beavers. Yeah, beavers. You know what is it? Bower or beaver? Beaver or bower? Beaver or bower? You know what I mean? This kind of animal who cut off the trees. He has a teeth like this one. Yeah. Okay, there is the pier, Sayang. Let's go there. Huh? Actually walking, and somebody have a nice residence here. Like a really nice residence. It's not even just the house, it's the residence. Nice. Nice. Premium.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going. Maybe that's his private pier actually, but I still wanna go.
Let's go.
Idziemy. And nice.
Right, so this is actually the latest update about how's our life. Some of you asking like, oh, you stopped already making video about, how's your life, and it has been so much things happening so far, and then I'm busy working, Damian also busy working. So yeah,
the most important thing is we are still together and we're still alive. Somebody asked, are you guys still alive? Yeah, still alive.
Yeah.
The things happening in different place when you thought so. So not here, so all is good. And what I can say, keep updated. Year or later we're gonna make another video.
Yes, I think that we will also travel to somewhere else, maybe in the future. I mean, like maybe in the few upcoming weeks or few upcoming months.
So will be another travel video like last time from Spain. If you haven't watched it, highly recommended. Very nice videos. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. I hope so you're still being with us. And
see you next time.